Guided tours help users navigate ServiceNow applications with clear, step-by-step guidance, helping to familiarize them with applications they use in their work. With the simple drag-and-drop interface, they're easy to create. Let's take a guided tour and then create one. Here, we're in the Service Operations workspace. Select the Help Center icon in the top right to view the available guided tours on this page. And select SOW Landing Page Guided Tour PAR Dashboard. Here we get a message describing the tour and we select Begin Tour to start. First, information about the header section is displayed. Then when we select Next, we move to the next step. The purpose of this tour is to guide the user through the landing page. Each step indicates our current position in the tour and the total number of steps. We can exit the tour at any time by selecting Close in the top right. When the tour is completed, we receive a message indicating that we finished the tour. Now let's create a tour by searching for Guided Tour Designer and selecting Create Tour. A Guided Tour Admin role is required. We'll give the tour a name, change the tour type to Workspaces, and paste in the starting page URL. Then we can choose to make this tour available to everyone, or we can choose specific roles. For this example, we will select ITIL and SN Service Desk Agent. Then we select Create Tour to get started. The tour creator takes us to the previously linked URL. On the right, the tour designer prompts us to create an introduction, create a conclusion, and use the drag and drop features to add new callouts to the page. We select Create Introduction and enter the text for the title and main message, and select Save when finished. Create a step for the tour by dragging and dropping the callout box to the proper UI element. Here we've added a callout box to the user's image. In the Create Step box, we can change the placement, add text, choose action, and make the step skippable. We'll keep the placement as below, add our text, and select Save. We can also add text formatting to our steps. Here, we'll add paragraphs using the P tag and bold words by using the strong tag. After we've added all our steps, we can either preview or publish our guided tour. Preview launches the guided tour in a new tab, while Publish immediately adds the guided tour to our ServiceNow instance. If we want to update or edit our guided tour later, from the All menu, search for Guided Tours, select the tour we want to edit, and either update it manually or edit with Designer. Use guided tours to navigate the ServiceNow AI platform and create your own guided tours to help familiarize users with applications they use in their work.